Welcome to my channel, Break the Snow.
Hi friends, acne is the most common skin condition and almost 85% of the people get it at some point in their lives. Acne occurs when the skin pores are clogged by dead skin cells. Excess sebum production or oil in the skin makes it worse by causing pimples, pus, blackheads and whiteheads.
There is one magical remedy for acne, that is witch hazel.
Witch hazel is an astringent that can fight pimples and acne.
It is a botanical extract from a rare flowering plant. Let's see how to use this for acne-prone skin. There are 3 steps in this. Number 1. Apply your favorite cleanser and wash away with warm water. Take half teaspoon of witch hazel and dilute with 1 teaspoon of water. With the help of cotton, gently rub it on the face or affected area. Leave it on for 20 minutes and wash away with fresh warm water. Follow with moisturizer or apply aloe vera gel. Use it twice a week for best results.
Witch hazel may make your skin more dry, so it should be used by the people with oily skin or normal skin.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.